la 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 la. I'm gonna play with Chica. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, he talks. Gosh. Scared me. Anyways, oh, the command, hold up. Hold up, guys, give me like 2 seconds. Here we go. Now, back to the video. Yes. I smell hot pockets. Why do you always smell food? Hush, that's naughty. Naughty, naughty boy. I'm in more game than you. You're like... I'm in 2 games in 1 game. Meanwhile... Yarg. Shut up, Chica. No, 1 plus 1 is not 50. It is... It's 2. No, it's not. I swear, it's 50. You're stupid. You're not right. You're stupid. You're very, very stupid. You're stupid. Stupid is what you... Wait, hold up. No, it's not 50. You're stupid. You even know how to count. No? 1 minus 0 is 55. I think it's 0. Is it? Guys, let me know in the comments. Is it 0 or 52? Because I know it's not 52. Yark. I'm weird. Meanwhile, no, anyways, what do you do? I don't know. I'm gonna, what should we do? Kill Chica. Wait, what? Come here, boy. I'm gonna hook you. Ah, you can't reach me. Shut up! Let's go this. Yucky. Not kill Chica. We can't kill anybody. No killing people. What should we do besides killing people? Besides killing people. I don't know, man. I'm still gonna kill Chica though. No killing. That is a crime. Garry, what are you doing? This thing talks. I don't know how.
Hi, Chica.
Hello! Hold up. Ah! Oh, freak, I stubbed my toe. And as I was falling, trying to catch myself, I crushed my nose. Did you just rap? Did you make a rhyme? No. Can I play Bonnie? Oh no, you do the... Oh yeah, Bonnie. I think he looks the coolest. Yay! Why do y'all talk? Because that's what we're supposed to do. You talk, right? Yeah, but you're a plushie. You're an animatronic. You're not supposed... You're metal. Wait, you're metal, right? Yeah, so you can't be talking. Fair point. I'm gonna find some hot pockets. This is a normal video. Later, I'm gonna do fun stuff in my videos, like shooting games, like shooting games and all that. So this is just one video because it's my first one. I'm trying to reach 1K subscribers, so please help me reach that goal. Hot Pockets would be a video, right? Wait, no, this video is called Freddy Gets Stuck in Ice Cream. Hot Pockets are in here, right? Wait, what the heck? What the heck? It's cold in here. Let me out. I wanna get out. It's cold. It's locked? It's locked? No, I'm gonna die in here. I'm gonna die. It's so cold. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Have you seen Toy Freddy? No, actually, that's a good question. Where is he? That's a good question. I don't even know. Because I wasn't paying attention. Were you guys paying attention to? Nah, we don't usually pay attention to Toy Freddy, right? No, we actually don't. We usually always see him. Well, I'm gonna go play some games. Let me get rid of this guitar first. It's really always in the way. Alright, let's go. Let me go play some games. This is... Oh, what game should I play? Oh, hi guys. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. What's up, Bonnie? Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. So... Oh, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hard. Oh, hello, Bonnie. Oh, hello, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Hello, Nancy boy. Bonnie boys, hi, Bonnie. Playing games. Game. Let's keep it away. Sail across seas. Some games, I like games. I can play this with one hand, that's how easy it is. Freaking, my hand is stuck, actually, guys, my head is stuck. My hand! Ah! Ow. Oh, my hand. Whoa. That hurt. Ow. I gotta play this game. I promised play Freddy out again. He did. Wait, where's Toy Freddy? Oh, no one's seen him yet. Oh, okay. You're gonna go get Hot Pockets because you're naughty boy. Okay, I swear if you say naughty boy one more time, I'm going to naughty you into the ground, and I'm going to plant you and stand on the ground as a trophy as you suffocate. If you say that one more time. Harsh. Like you sound like a broken record. Naughty boy, shut up! You gotta turn it up from naughty boy, Jesus Christ. For real? Wait, hold up. For real? Wait, what? For real. Nobody cares about your naughty boy. Okay, I gotta speak about my numbers. Nobody cares about your naughty boy. True. That was pretty true. I'm gonna play some games. Oh wait, I don't have hands. Loser. I'm going to take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap. Alright. I think Freddy's stuck in the fridge. Help me, guys. Is that Freddy? Guys, you gotta go save Freddy. Okay. I'm going to save Freddy. Open these doors up. Go. Come on. Freddy, you're saved. Ah, it's so cold. Move out of the way. Ah. Now it's cold. Oh my gosh, Bonnie, thank you so much. Thank you, Bonnie. And that is how Freddy got out. See you on the next video.